Adjust the display, phone holder, and shifter to prevent wear and damage caused by the EBIC being placed upside down. Remove the battery. Flip the EBIC upside down. Deflate the inflated tire first. After letting out most of the air from the inner tube, press the outer tire in to fit it with the rim. The other side is also the same. Inject gas, but don't fill it up completely. Check whether the bead line is aligned with the rim. Press and align the misaligned parts. After all are aligned, inflate the tires fully with gas.